This video is sponsored by SkillShare. In this episode, I take you up the mast to install some new antennas, and then we continue our social distancing down in the United States Virgin Islands. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby, Taylor, and Punky. In the last video, we installed our new ICOM radios and then completed some boat chores, including a propane run. Guys, before we get too far along into this one, I want to talk to you about SkillShare. Probably one of the most common comments I get from viewers is they wish they could find something to do online or work remotely so that they can go cruising. Well, SkillShare is a great opportunity to learn those skills. SkillShare is a great way to learn new skills, develop existing skills, or just get lost in creativity. You can take business classes, art classes, learn web design. Award-winning filmmaker Penny Lane has a great series on video editing and production, where you can learn the skills to create your own films. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free 2-month premium subscription to SkillShare. So click the link down in the description to learn a new skill with SkillShare, and thank you to SkillShare for sponsoring this video. Now back to the video. It's a two birds, one stone kind of morning. So coming in here, the topping they've got wrapped around our radar deflector. I would send Taylor up to go get it, but I need to go up anyway to install our new Iridium Go antenna. So I'm gonna go up, clear that. She's gonna hoist me up using the Millie, and then she'll lower me back down and I'll install a new antenna. All right, whenever you're ready.
Are you ready is the question.
I am ready. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. One second. Rather than go all the way up there and down with this, I'm just gonna leave this right here. There we go. Okay. You can continue. Oh, see right there. No bueno. There we go. Okay, you can lower me down slowly. That's good. All right, so now I'm just going to attach the antenna. I got this little bag with all my parts and tools I need, and I'll attach it. Even though I'm not the greatest fan of heights, it was a pretty easy install for the antenna. All right, so I got this thing mounted. Now I'm just gonna kind of run the cable down inside the sail bag, and then should be good to go. Just like that, our Iridium had an external antenna. All right, so the Iridium Go is installed, all activated and everything. It took a while to activate and get everything done. But $140 a month, but 150 minutes of calling, unlimited text and tracking and data, although it's very slow. So anyway, we should be pretty safe on our passage. Now I'm gonna test it out by calling her with the sat phone. We'll see.
Well, we have untied most of the lines that we need, and we're leaving the marina today. We're heading back over to Canil Bay. Gonna be meeting up with our friends because it is Cinco de Mayo.
Hey, hola, fiesta.
Ready to party.
Muchas locas.
But I'm gonna be getting us off the dock today, so let's see how this goes.
Okay, thanks, Sarah. See you. It was just over an hour over to St. John, and we were ready to go ashore. All right, so we are gonna head into town. Things are slowly opening back up. So cooler beer. They're not serving alcohol. I don't know. They got a reason for it, I guess. So we brought a little cooler, but the restaurants are serving outdoor seating only right now, so we're gonna do that. Go. All right.
Let's go! Finally time to get off the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces. We don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know.
It was a quick 10-minute dinghy ride over to Cruise Bay and St. John.
Stop turning. I know we're acting stupid.
Our celebrity guests are here. Hey guys.
Hi.
Air cheers.
Air cheers.
No
Mike.
cheers.
Air cheers.
app. So the bars aren't actually open, but you can get takeout service. So
We're taking it to go.
yeah, so we ordered some food. We'll go to a little park over there. We brought a little cooler. We'll have a little picnic. It'll be a good time. We ordered some food and we're having a beach picnic with our good friends Steve and Loretta. Yeah, looks good, huh?
Ooh, wow.
Oh, I want to try that next
A
time.
beach dinner. This is
That's
amazing.
a pork belly bowl.
A good meal with good friends on the beach is better than any restaurant. I didn't have the camera rolling at the time, but police just came up and said we are too close to each other.
I had to separate 6 feet from Steve.
From her husband.
I don't think you can do it.
It's been tough.
They sleep in separate cabins now. As the sun went down, we took the party back to the boat. Things definitely took a turn for the fun.
Bye-bye, fan. Bye-bye, Sally Doodle fan.
Macarena. Oh, I was seeing Macarena.
Hey, Macarena. All right, we are free, heading back. Good times with you guys.
Bobby. Sit down.
Thank you, Stephen Loretta.
These guys right here, class people.
Bye, everybody.
We might be people.
We are getting off the boat for an adventure. We're doing the Trunk Bay snorkeling path. So it's pretty cool. There's apparently like signs underwater that they've made really clear, and you go along a path and it kind of tells you about the area and stuff.
Yep, it's just around the corner over there, like, I don't know, a mile. And we're gonna meet up with Steve and Loretta. They're gonna ding you over too, so it'll be fun.
Let's do it.
And we're gonna pick up a spinnaker. We weren't gonna have the guys at Precision Sales bring us a spinnaker. Then COVID happened, and so now we're going back to the States, and it'd be a lot nicer having a spinnaker. So I got on the cruiser's net this morning, just on the radio, and asked if anybody had a spare spinnaker, and sure enough, somebody does. So while we're over there, we're gonna check it out. Hopefully it'll be nice. Steve and Loretta loaded up in their dinghy and headed over to the beach with us. In a national park, you're not allowed to anchor your dinghy, so we tied up to a mooring line and had to swim in. So while they're hanging on the beach for a little bit, I am going to go see about getting a new spinnaker. Didn't film it, but picked up. Unfortunately, it's not in a sock, but a symmetrical spinnaker. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty cheap, so now I got to swim inshore and meet up with everybody else.
Pay attention. Don't look at them. Don't make eye contact. I'm gonna film it until he finally comes at you. He's waiting for the good moment. You're just talking, you know, not paying attention.
Yeah, they don't want to be filmed.
They know. They know we're filming them now.
This is terrifying.
Oh, well, there goes my sandwich.
We were at Trunk Bay, which has an underwater snorkel trail. It is kind of cool being here while the pandemic's going on, I guess, because there's nobody here. Normally this beach would be hundreds of people on the beach, you know, all these, you know, food trucks and restaurants and picnic tables would be full, and we basically got this beautiful white sand beach and just amazing water to ourselves. I mean, it's pretty nice. Normally the markers are a little better maintained, but because of COVID, they were not being cleaned. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. We could not do this without them. Patrons get all sorts of great content, like extra videos.